morning children, this is grade 3 semester 1 general knowledge. Open page number 343 chapter 9 homophones. 1. The dash threatened to turn the boys into frogs. The witch threatened to turn the boys into frogs. Th ida, with witch, threatened, threatened, to tor turn, the boys boys, into frogs frogs. The witch threatened to turn the boys into frogs. So this is the correct option. So put a tick mark here and write the witch in the fill in the blanks. Number 2. We are happy that we live in a town with such wonderful weather. WEVERER happy, THAT that, WEVE live, INNA TOWN town, WITH with, SUCH such, WONDER wonderful, weather, WEATHER weather. We are happy that we live in a town with such wonderful weather. Number 3. The cat likes to drink milk from dash own bowl only. The cat likes to drink milk from its own bowl only. The CAT cat, LIKES likes, TO2 DRINK drink, MILK milk, FROM from ITS its, OWN own, BOWL bowl, ONLY only. So option A is the correct. The cat likes to drink milk from its own bowl only. Number 4. A dash object possesses potential energy. A dash STATIONARY stationary, OBJECT object, POSSESS possesses, POTENTIAL potential, ENERGY energy. A stationary object possesses potential energy. So A is the correct option. Number 5. The elephant is dash good to harm children. Too good to harm children. The elephant is too good to harm children. THEDA ELEPHANT elephant, IS is TOO2 GOOD good, TO2 HARM harm, CHILDREN children. This is the correct option. So write it here, TOO2. 6. I am taller than you. AM TALLER taller, THAN than, YOU I am taller than you. I am taller than you. This is the correct option. So write DHAN than here. Number 7. The dash of those beautiful trees refreshed us. THEDA SIGHT sight. The sight of those beautiful trees refreshed us. SIGHT sight. OF of, THOSC those, BEAU TIFUL beautiful, TREES trees, REFRESHUD refreshed, US us. The sight of those beautiful trees refreshed us. Number 8. I hope dash doing the best you can. I hope you are doing the best you can. IHOPE hope, YOU -RE you are DOING doing, THE the BEST best, YOUU CAN. I hope you are doing the best you can. Number 9. One should not apply brakes too suddenly while driving. ONE1 SHOULD should, NOT not, APPLY apply, PRAKES brakes, TOO2 SUDDENLY suddenly, WHILE while, DRIVING driving. One should not apply brakes too suddenly while driving. Last one, grandma's tales are very interesting. GRANDMAS, grandma's dash TALES tales, ARERVERY very, INTERESTING interesting. Grandma's tales are very interesting. This is the end of the 9th chapter. This is chapter 9. Open page number 344, 344. Chapter 10, sports trophies. Draw a line to match the names of some national and international sports trophies with their associated sports. Now let us match which is associated sport to its trophies. Ashes Cup, ASHESCUP. Ashes Cup. Ashes Cup belongs to cricket. CRICKET, cricket. Number 2, Australian Open. AUSTRALIAN, Australian OPEN, Open. Australian Open belongs to lawn tennis. LAWNTENNIS, tennis, lawn tennis. So draw a line from here to here. British Open. BRITISH, British OPEN, Open. British Open belongs to the sport golf. GOLF, golf. So match a line from here to here. Dhyan Chand Trophy. DHYAN, Dhyan. CHAND, Chand. TROPHY, trophy. Dhyan Chand Trophy belongs to hockey. HOCKEY, hockey. So draw a line from here to here. FIFA World Cup. FIFA, FIFA. WORLD, World CUP, Cup. FIFA World Cup belongs to football. FOOTBALL, football. So now draw a line from here to here. Wellington Trophy. WELLINGTON, Wellington. TROPHY, trophy. Wellington Trophy belongs to rowing. ROWING, rowing. So draw a line from here to here. Malaysian Open. MALAYSIAN, Malaysian OPEN, Open. Malaysian Open. This belongs to badminton. BADMINTON, badminton. Draw a line from here to here. Bama Belek Cup. BAMA, Bama BELLECK, Belek CUP, Cup. Bama Belek Cup belongs to table tennis. TABLE, table. TENNIS, tennis. So draw a line from here to here. This is the end of the 10th chapter. Now let us go to 11th chapter. Now 11th chapter, open page number 345, 345. Chapter 11, first aid tips. Tick the most appropriate response in these commonly encountered situations. Number 1. If your friend scrapes his knee while playing, you will apply band-aid on the wound. If YOUR, your, FRIEND, friend, SCRAPES, scrapes, HIS, his, KNEE, knee, WHILE, while, PLAYING, playing, YOUU, WILL, will. If your friend scrapes his knee while playing, you will apply band-aid on the wound. APPLY, apply. BAND, band. AID, aid. ON, on. THE, the. WOUND, wound. Apply band-aid on the wound. Number 2. If you want to go into the pool for a swim, you should wait for your coach to be there and give you permission to go in. If YOUU, WANT, want, TO2, GO, go, INTO, into, THE, the, TOOL, pool, FOR, for, AR, SWIM, swim, YOUU. CHOULD, should, WAIT, wait, FOR, for, YOUR, yo, COACH, coach, TO2, DEB, THERE, there, AND, and, GIVE, give, YOUU, PERMISSION, permission, TO2, GOO, go, IN, in. If you want to go to the pool for swim, you should wait for your coach to be there and give you permission to go in. Number 3. If your clothes catch fire, you should not beat clothes if you find a wooden stick. If your clothes, cloth catch, fire should, not beat, clothes, if find, wooden, stick. If your clothes catch fire, you should not beat clothes if you find a wooden stick. Fourth, if you meet your friend's cute cat, you should take time to get to know it. Meet, meet, your, friends, cute, cat, should, take, time, get, it. If you meet your friend's cute cat, you should take time to get to know it. Number 5. If a stray animal bites you, you should wash the wound with soap and water to get the germs out. If a stray, animal, bites, should, wash, the wound with with soap, and water, get, the germs, out. If a stray animal bites you, you should wash the wound with soap and water to get the germs out. 6. If your friend is getting an electric shock, you should slap the body part in contact with the wire with a wooden stick. If your friend, getting, electric, shock, should, slap, the, body, part, contact, WITH with THE, WIRE wire, WITH with WOODEN wooden, STICK stick. If your friend is getting an electric shock, you should slap the body part in contact with the wire with a wooden stick. 7. If someone burns their hand on a hot pan, you should put the hand under cold running water. If SOMEONE, someone, BURNS, burns, THEIR, there, HAND, hand, on, HOT, pan, HOT, hot, PAN, pan, YOUU, SHOULD, should, PUT, put, THE, the, HAND, hand, UNDER, under, COLD, cold, RUNNING, running, WATER, water. If someone burns their hand on a hot pan, you should put the hand under cold running water. So children, in your books, after the correct option, put a tick mark. This is the end of the 11th chapter. Now let us go to 12th chapter. Now children, 12th chapter, 346 page number. Chapter 12, what is the number? Be quick to guess where you will reach on board when you roll the dice. Here we have snake and ladders game. Now he is asking 5 questions about what you roll and which number will you go into after rolling the dice. Number 1. You are at 61. You roll the dice and get 3. You are at 61. So if you roll a dice 3, you go 3 steps forward. So 61, 62, 64. 1, 2, 3. So from here you come to 60. So you write 60 here. YOUUARER, at 61. YOUUROLL, roll, THE, the, DICE, dice, and GET, get 3. You are at 61. You roll the dice and get 3. So when you are at 61, when you roll the dice for 3, you go 3 steps forward, but there is a snake, so you come down to its tail. You are in 60. You write number 60 here. 2. You are at 16. You roll the dice and get 4. You are at 16. You go for 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is a ladder, so you go up. You are in number 38. So you write here number 38. YOUUARER80 at 16 dot YOUUROLL roll THE the DICE dice AND and GET get 4. Number 3. You are at 39. You roll the dice and get 5. You are at 39. You got number 5 in the dice, so you go 5 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you are at 44. You write 44 here. YOUUARER80 at 3939. YOUUROLL roll THE the DICE dice AND GET get 5. You are at 39. You roll the dice and get 5. The answer is 44. 44. Fourth one. You are at 69. You roll the dice and get 2. You are at 69. You got 2, so you go 2 steps forward. 1, 2. So now here is a ladder, so you go up to 91. You write 91 here. YOUUARER80 at 6969. YOUUROLL roll THE the DICE dice AND GET get 2. You are at 69. You roll the dice and get 2. You will go to number 91. 91. Last one. You are at 96. What number do you need to win the game? So you are at 96. He is asking, by moving how many steps forward you will win the game. So let's count with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. So by moving 4 steps you will win the game. So we have to write 4 here. YOUUARER80 at 9696 WHAT mod MUN DER number DO2 YOUU NEET TO2 WIN win THE the GAME game. You are at 96. What number do you need to win the game? 4. This is the end of the 12th chapter, children. Thank you.